Ever feel like your two-post rack is just begging for more space, especially for those odd-sized pieces of gear? Well, this RackSolutions 20-inch two-post shelf might just be the answer you've been looking for. It's a solid piece of kit, and right out of the box, you can tell it's built to last. The first thing that struck me was its robust construction. This isn't some flimsy afterthought. It's designed to hold up to a hefty 150 pounds, which is seriously impressive for a shelf like this. That means you can confidently load it up with networking switches, servers, or any other IT equipment that doesn't quite fit the standard rack mount mold. What's really clever about this shelf is its center mount design. It's specifically made for those two-post relay and telco racks, making it a perfect fit for anyone dealing with networking and telecommunications setups. The 20-inch depth is a game changer. It gives you so much more room to play with, especially for those larger, non-rack mountable devices that often end up cluttering your workspace. I've seen so many setups where people are struggling to find a place for their equipment, and a shelf like this solves that problem elegantly. Installation is pretty straightforward, and the universal compatibility is a huge plus. It works with both round threaded and square holes, meaning it should slot into most standard 19-inch racks without any fuss. One feature I really appreciated are the equipment strap slots. They're positioned on the sides, and they're incredibly useful for securing your gear. It adds an extra layer of stability and peace of mind, ensuring nothing is going to shift around unexpectedly. It's those little details that make a product truly stand out. Honestly, this shelf feels like it was designed with real-world IT challenges in mind. It's not just about adding space, it's about adding usable secure space. If you're working with two-post racks and need a reliable way to mount larger or non-standard equipment, this RackSolutions shelf is a seriously strong contender. It's a simple solution, but it's executed brilliantly. In the end, this 20-inch two-post shelf from RackSolutions is a fantastic addition to any two-post rack setup. It's strong, versatile, and thoughtfully designed, making it an easy recommendation for anyone needing to maximize their rack space.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.